Kate Hudson offers an update on her rocky relationship with her father, Bill Hudson. Following a widely known family conflict, Kate Hudson and her father, Bill Hudson, appear to repair their ties. According to USA Today, the almost famous actor hinted at a potential change in her relationship with her musician father during an interview with CBS Sunday Morning on Sunday, April 28th. There are warming ups to this all, the 45-year-old actress admitted, adding, "But it will be whatever it is." Kate, who was born to Bill and Goldie Hawn during their marriage from 1976 to 1982, has stated that she has no expectations for her connection with her biological father. All she wants is for her father to be happy. In a 2015 interview with the Daily Mail, Bill, now 74, disowned his children, saying, "I no longer recognize Oliver and Kate as my own." These remarks offered after Kate's brother Oliver blasted the singer in a Father's Day post with the title "Happy Abandonment Day." Bill also remarked that Kate and Oliver are dead to me, and that they would and that they should stop using the Hudson name. It's worth mentioning that Kate and her brother were really young when their parents split. Hon and her 40-year-old husband, Kurt Russell, reared the siblings.